guys, welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. On today's video, I'm doing another collaboration with my beautiful ladies of Beauty Over 40. And we're all doing a collaboration on a Euphoria look. I know you guys probably saw that going around Euphoria. It's a new show. And the makeup artist, she's amazing. She uses a lot of like glitters and just bold things. So with my look, I went with gold leaf and glitter. Enjoy the video, guys, and watch me create this Euphoria theme look. Okay, so starting off with primer. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. face primer. You guys know I always start off with my eye primer too. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I gotta remember, I keep forgetting I have these lashes on. Yeah, I did my own eyelash extensions. I didn't want to do a video on it because you don't supposed to do these on yourself. So yeah, but I love them. Now I see why my clients are hooked to these. Oh my gosh. For the brows, I'm going to use my iconic London eyebrow cushion. And this thing never focuses because it's like a mirror. The concealer, I'm going to clean it up with the Too Faced Born This Way and Warm Sand. Using my Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush. And also we're using my Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. I'm just going to place a little of my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So now time for the eyes. So for the eyes, the color I'm just going to use like a simple color because I just want the gold leaf to pop. So I'm going to go with my Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series palette. I received this in my BoxyCharm. I'm excited about this one. This is my first time using it. Okay, so I don't know what color I want to go with. Okay, so I'm going to go with Dusty Rose. This is the Moda 430 crease brush. So I'm going in that crease with Dusty Rose. The next color I'm going to use is Cinnamon. Just leaving the eyes basic. I'm not doing a cut crease or anything, nothing like that, nothing spectacular. Okay, so this is the only thing I'm gonna do to the eyes. So, I don't know. Should I do eyeliner? I think I'll do like a little, yeah, I'll do a little thin strip eyeliner. Oh, for the eyeliner, I'm gonna use my Hank & Henry liquid eyeliner. And my BoxyCharm as well. So most of the items I'm using is featured in my September BoxyCharm. You guys probably saw the video, I just haven't used the items yet. Okay, so before I place the gold leaf, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back. Now I'm back with the rest of my face done. So now I'm gonna do my highlight. I wanted to do that on camera. This came in my BoxyCharm as well. This highlight, y'all, is the bomb. It's the Laura Geller and Gilded Honey. And I'm just barely using it. This is the bomb. Look at this. I'm trying to use it lightly. This is the type of highlight you just want to go all in with. Now I'm going to start adding the gold leaf and the glitter. So gold glitter and gold leaf. That's what I'm going with. For the gold leaf, I usually go with like a sticky base. Sometimes I use a Vaseline and sometimes I use a lip gloss. So I'm going to use a lip gloss and just place it where I want to put the gold leaf at. So under the eye is going to be glitter, so I'm placing this Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer under there, and then I'm going to place the glitter on there with it. And before I do the other side, I'm going to do my inner corner. So for the inner corner, I'm going to use my Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow, and this is in Cotton Candy. Using my Moda 420 detail brush. Now, time to do the other eye. So I'm going to do a mascara at the bottom, which is my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So since I want the focus just to be on my eyes, I'm just gonna line my lips with this Steve Laurent lip liner. No lipstick, so I'm going to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. And usually by this time I would add a strip blush, but there's no need to because I did my lash extensions. So gonna brush these. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look with my Beauty Over 40 collaboration. So we're collabing on the Euphoria look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed, guys. Bye.